As landscape paintings did not contain the human form as a primary subject, art academies originally considered it as one of the lowest forms of art, yet it remains a vibrant genre today. The richness of this story to Wales opens up important debates around identity and place. Contemporary landscapes can also explore the extremes of the use and representation of our environment. Painting the landscape and the appreciation of nature for its own sake was pioneered in Wales in the 18th century. A revived literary and artistic interest in the Celtic past also drew artists into Wales. Pioneering work by Welsh artists like Richard Wilson and the subsequent discovery of the landscape by artists outside of Wales made the country a haven for artists, and it remains so to this day. In the second half of the 20th century, artists began to use a variety of different techniques and materials, continuing this same tradition whilst drawing attention to issues around climate change and the exploitation of the environment. Partially Buried by James Riley from 2004 highlights one of the darkest chapters in Welsh history. The painting is large, over 2.5 metres across, and features a simple, childlike painting of a building engulfed by an immovable black pyramid. A bleak and moving work, Riley references the 1966 Aberfan disaster, where 116 children and 28 adults were killed when a coal tip collapsed, destroying the local primary school.